You're greeted with a long walkway. Okay, turn to the right. Looks like this is a nice little dining area, formal dining area. But if you swing over to the right, I believe I've seen what looks to be like an in-law suite. Oh wow. Like I said, they have the very tall doors here in Phoenix, Arizona. Very nice. This looks like a separate, like living room, apartment type. So it looks like here, it's probably like an in-law suite. Or you can rent this out. Some people may rent it out. It looks like it comes with a sink and a little refrigerator, microwave, which is off of the bedroom. And looks like this is the front door that leads out back into the walkway that we just recently came from. And like I said, this looks like the in-law suite. And here's the bathroom that's attached to that suite. You got your little vanity. Got your toilet, got your shower, which is also in that beautiful tile work. Looks like they went with the more, this is black fixtures that are coming very popular these days. And here's the closet that's attached to the suite. Yeah, so whenever you have out-of-town guests, they can, stay comfortably and actually feel like they never left home. Very cozy. All right, now that we're gonna head back out, I'm gonna hang a right. I'm gonna look at this first bedroom here. Nice ceiling fans. Looks like it has a nice slide door, closet. Okay. And look at the blinds for the, yeah. It's a nice size room back. Nice size room. And if we swing to the right, it looks like there's a bathroom with double vanities and a toilet and a shower tub combo with the loving black fixtures. Like I said, those are becoming very popular. It's nice that they offer that as a alternative to the stainless steel or the brushed nickel. In this hall, we have like a little coat closet here where we get to the, well, we'll say third bedroom, because the other bedroom was like an in-law suite, so like a whole entity in itself. But here's the other bedroom, nice size. Nice walk-in closet. Nice size. Head all the way back out. Alright, as soon as we head on our way back out here, looks like there's a living room. Nice kitchen. But we have stainless steel appliances. So we have a nice pantry here. It's the microwave, Gas stove top here. Stainless steel sink, looks like. Black features. So we have double wall ovens. Very nice. Looks like there's an eat-in kitchen here. Right. This is a view from the kitchen, living room. All right. Let's take a look at the master. Looks like there's many built-ins. Laundry room. Nice. This looks like maybe another bedroom. This bedroom also has a closet as well. So I think we've seen about 3 bedrooms and a in-law. So it's about 4 bedrooms. Alright. As we swing over to the left, when we hang right into the master bedroom. Very nice. Very nice. As you see, it lets in a lot of that natural light. These big windows here. I really like this flooring. This flooring is very nice. Looks like your 10 by 24 type of tile work. And if you head on out to the back patio, looks like there's a patio set that overlooks more of that green grass, turf. And it looks like there's an actual gazebo or pergola here. Had one of these in our first homes. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Like I said, Taylor Morrison has some very, very nice features that they offer in their builds. Like I said, if you guys are interested in new construction home in the Phoenix area or the surrounding cities, definitely check out Taylor Morrison. They have a lot of nice, like I said, nice builds. Okay. I'll take a look at that master bath. Okay. Swing over. Okay, here's the master bath with a double vanity. Nice big walk-in shower. And you have a nice water closet here. And you swing over to the right, there's your walk-in closet with tons of storage even up there. Tons of storage in this walk-in closet. Lots of space. So here's that walk-in shower with that step. The drop-in shower with the bench. The waterfall shower faucet. And so that's where you turn on the shower there. All right. And that should be about the whole house. Like I said, if you're interested in more homes like this, definitely comment below. I can definitely show more new construction homes, new builds, new builders in the area. If you're ever in the area looking for builders, they're definitely a good builder to go with. Look at that, very nice. All right guys, I'll catch you on the next one.